Hello friends, welcome back to N Curve24. This is a quick DIY video for hair oil. I'm just using two ingredients in this video. First, I need a glass jar. I hope this is a 50 ml glass jar. As you can see, this is a small glass container. You can use anything which is available in your home. Next, I am just pouring third of the coconut oil into this. And now I'm going to use the second ingredient, which is curry leaf essential oil. It is from Organic Harvest brand. This is a 10 ml product. Curry leaf actually promotes hair growth and it helps in making the hair stronger and thicker. It also prevents premature graying of hair. So I like this product too much. I'm not a fan of essential oil, but I do use some essential oil on my skin and hair care sometimes, but not every day. But this is one of my ingredient in my hair oil. Since I'm making it a quick blend of oil, so I'm just using only this one. Sometimes I do use rosemary essential oil also, but this time I don't want any kind of fragrance in my hair oil. And this curry leaf essential oil has a very natural curry leaf aroma, which I like too much. So I'm just adding 5 drops of this into the coconut oil. So as you can see, it blends very well. And I have used half of this bottle. Half of this bottle is empty now. You can also use any kind of other oils like avocado oil, almond oil, or other oils, whichever is your favorite, into this blend. This is just a choice which I'm showing, and everything depends on your hair type and whatever you like. You can store this up to 6 months, but 6 months is the maximum when you are mixing oils and making it into a blend of oils. So use it as soon as possible. So this is my quick DIY hair oil blend for everyday usage, but whenever I have time, I do make oil by boiling gooseberry, curry leaves, and lot of other herbs whichever I can get from any shops. But now currently in the lockdown, I couldn't get any herbs to use to make boil and then make into an infused oil. So this is just a quick DIY oil. I hope you like the video. Please do share, subscribe, and like.